Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to be talking about this letter. What letter is this? Right, this is the letter W. So let's go over a few W words. Watermelon, wagon, whale, window, wheel. Alrighty, let's get started by reading our objective. So today we will identify the letter W and a lowercase w and tell words that start with W. This is an uppercase W, and an uppercase W has 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, and all of those lines are slightly slanted. So we have the first line slants down, and then the next goes up, the next down, and the next up. Let's look at what a lowercase w looks like. This is a lowercase w, and as you can see, the lowercase w and the uppercase w are very similar. And as you can see on here, the uppercase is just bigger than the lowercase. Now we are going to talk about what the letter W looks like in sign language. And the letter W in sign language looks like this. Kind of like you're holding up, like you're showing 3 fingers. And if you look at it, it makes a W. Just like that. So that's W in sign language. So now what we're going to do is you are going to look at your screen, and if you think that it's the letter W, you're going to give it a thumbs up, or you can stand up if you feel like you need to get your body moving. If it's not a W, then you're going to give a thumbs down, or you're going to sit down. All right, let's get started. Right, that's a thumbs down. Why is that a thumbs down? What letter is that? Right, great job. It's the letter U. Thumbs up, awesome job. This is the letter W, and this is a lowercase w. It's smaller. Awesome job, thumbs down. What letter is this? Right, it's the letter X. Good job. Awesome job. Thumbs up or stand up. This is the letter W. Awesome job. Thumbs up. This is the letter W. This is an uppercase W. Good. Thumbs down. That's a tricky one. This is not a W. This is what letter? Right, this is the letter M. Kind of tricky because it looks kind of like an upside down W. Thumbs up. Awesome job. That is an uppercase W. Right, thumbs down. That is not a W. What letter is that? Right, it's a U. Alrighty, so now we are going to practice writing the letter W. So in order to practice writing the letter W, you have to take your finger, and we're going to practice writing it in the air. So in order to practice writing it in the air, you're going to start at the top. Come down, back up, down, and back up. And that's the letter W. Let's do the lowercase. Down, back up, down, back up. Very good. Alrighty, let's try one more time. And this time, we are going to do it on our screen so that we can see the pencil marks moving and creating the letter W. So in order to trace the letter W, I'm going to start at the top because when we write our letters, we always start at the top. I'm going to go down, back up, down, back up. Let's do the lowercase. Start at the top, down, back up, down, back up. Awesome job. So now we are going to talk about the sound that W makes. The sound that W makes. So W, let's look at some of those W words that we saw in the beginning. So we have watermelon, watermelon, wagon, wagon, whale, whale, window, and wheel, wheel. So the letter W says w, w, w. So now we're going to do an activity where you are going to look at your screen and there are going to be two pictures. One is going to be a picture of something that starts with w, w, and the other doesn't start with w. So I want you to point to the one that starts with w, a W. So we have a king and a wagon. Which one starts with w? Go ahead and point. Awesome job. Wagon starts with w, wagon. Our next two pictures are a wheel and a soccer ball. Wheel and soccer ball. Point to the one you think starts with w. Awesome job. Wheel starts with w. Let's look at our next two pictures. We have a zebra and a walrus. Zebra, walrus. Point to the one where you hear w. Right, a walrus starts with the letter W. W, walrus. Let's look at our next two pictures. This is a foot, and this is pointing to the bird's wing. Wing. Which one starts with W? Foot or wing? Awesome job. Wing starts with W. Very good. Let's look at our next two pictures. We have a van, and a piece of wood, wood. Van, wood. Which one starts with W? Awesome job. Wood starts with W. So the next thing we're going to do is I am going to show you a picture and you're going to show me thumbs up, it starts with W, or thumbs down, it doesn't start with W. And I'm going to put it in the right column. Here we have a whistle. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Whistle. Right, whistle starts with W. Awesome job. This is water, water, water. Awesome job. Thumbs up. Water starts with W. Water. Waffle, waffle. Thumbs up. Waffle is another W word. This is a vest. 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 You're right, that's a thumbs down. No, it does not start with W. What letter do you hear at the beginning of vest? Right, the V. Kite. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Kite. Thumbs down, you're right. Kite does not start with a W. Kite starts with K. Rabbit. Rabbit. Thumbs down, you're right. Rabbit starts with R. Very good. Mop. Mop. Thumbs down, you're right. Does not start with W. Mop starts with the letter M. Very good. And last one. This is a worm. Worm. Thumbs up. Worm starts with W. Worm. Awesome job. So our last two things are some questions. So I want you to point to which one of these is the letter W. Go ahead and point. Awesome job. This is the letter W right here. Awesome job. Our next question is, which picture begins with W? Remember, W says w. Whistle or ice cream? Great. Whistle starts with W. Whistle. Now our last question is, why is it important to know about your letters, boys and girls? Why is it important to know about your letters? Right, it's important to know about your letters because it helps us learn to read and to write. Awesome. So today we learned about the letter W, and the letter W says w. Awesome. Have fun exploring the letter W today.